प्रतीकेऽहं दृष्टिरस्ति न वा ब्रह्मा विभेदतः जीव प्रतीकयोर्ब्रह्म द्वाराहं दृष्टिरिष्यते प्रतीकत्वोपासकत्व हानिर्ब्रह्मैक्यवीक्षणे अवीक्षणे तु भिन्नत्वात् नास्यहं दृष्टियोग्यता
प्रतीके अहम दृष्टि अस्ति न वा ब्रह्मा विभेदतः एज इट इज जीव प्रतीकयोः ब्रह्म द्वारा अहम दृष्टि इष्यते. प्रतीक we have seen a symbolic concept, a symbol. So therefore pratike in pratika in a symbolic concept. Aham drishti asti nava. That pratika should it take as I or not? This is doubt. So this says Purapaksha says yes, it should be taken. Why? Brahmana avibhedata. Brahma is identical with pratika, and Jiva is identical with pratika. So therefore Jiva and pratika are identical. Say Brahmana avita. Jiva, how do you say so? Jiva pratika yoho, between Jiva and pratika, Brahma dwara aham drishti. Via Brahma aham drishti. Not like this buses, flight, etc. Via go they go. Means they stop at in between like that. Via. How via? See, Brahma is pratika is Brahma. Jiva is Brahma. So Jiva is pratika. Simple algebra. If you otherwise study algebra, bas काम हो गया. Jiva pratika yoho Brahma dwara. Because Jiva and Pratika both are Brahma, and therefore Pratika and Jiva here is Upasaka. Pratika and Jiva are one and the same. So that is the because Aham Drishti Ishyate. Aham Drishti is the why? Pratika and this are not different. They are one and the same. Siddhanta says pratikeshu aham brahmaika vikshane. See, he has taken pratika as Brahma. Pratika is pratika so long as nama rupa upadhi is there. Pratika is Brahma when nama rupa upadhi rahita. And then when you say pratika ceases to be pratika. Identities keeping pratika as pratika. But pratika as pratika cannot be. For example, you can identify with Vishnu as yourself, provided you are Nirupadika, Vishnu also is Nirupadika. Otherwise, how can you with your idiotic Upadhi be identical with Vishnu? Vishnu is what? Sarvajna, Sarvashaktiman. How is it possible? So that is how it is. So he says, Brahmaika Vikshane, Brahma Vision means in Brahmaika Sakshatkara, in Brahma Sakshatkara, Vikshane, Pratikatvopasakatva Hani. All these two, both these are casualties. Pratikatva and Upasakatva. See, if Jiva and Brahma are one, can there be Upasaka Bheda? Not there. If Pratika and Brahma are one, Can there be status of pratika separate from Brahma? Because nirupadika. So therefore it says, if you are talking of Brahma Sakshatkara, in that pratikatva upasakatva hani. In Jnanakala, there is neither the status of pratika nor the status of what? Upasaka. Upasaka. Is there? Two, whereas avikshane, if Brahmaika vikshana is not there, means in state of ajnana, bhinnatvat aham drishti yogyata na asti. Aham drishti yogyata, bhinna or not, with upadhi, nama rupa of upadhi, and this person identified with the body, can there be one and the same? No. Otherwise, what you will do one thing, you do upasana and that pratima as yourself only, will stop your food onwards. We'll show Naivedya. We'll keep in front of you and show the hand and then we'll eat it. Because pratima we do that way. Pratima doesn't protest. It doesn't protest. Okay? No. You have got identity or not? Pratima has got identity or not? How can they be both one and the same? In the Brahmaika Ikshana, yes, it is true, but not otherwise. Not otherwise. So we say, aham drishti yogyata na asti. Avikshane. When in the ajnana, in the state of ajnana of Brahma, this identity is not there. As a result, upasaka is different, pratika is different. Pratika is made up of stone, okay? Stone means entire prapancha is Brahma karya. Therefore stone was separate. And Jiveshwara is there, Atma. So therefore, Atma is equal to pratika. Why not? So therefore it says, Atma pratika Atmadhi iti prapti. Such a occasion may arise. It says, न प्रत्याह न प्रतीके नहीं सहा एक अन्वय प्रतीके नहीं सहा प्रतीके इन प्रतीक उपासना न मीन्स अहंग्रह न कर्तव्य न इज अहंग्रह न कर्तव्य. You should not take the pratika as oneself. How come? Kutaha? Because that Veda cannot be removed. You can mean such a Veda cannot be established. How? See, is it your experience that you are pratika idol? No. You cannot say you are yourself as the pratika. Does the Shruti has the Shruti told anywhere? Has Shruti told anywhere? No. Again, what is your anubhava? Do you experience yourself as an idol, etc.? No. So therefore, nahi saha. Saha means upasakaha cannot be pratika. Saha, nahi saha. So that upasaka cannot be this pratika. This will be explained in detail here.